Good morning. I hope you all had a fantastic, wonderful Valentine's Day and spent some quality time with your loved ones. And till now, I hope with every episode that we have brought with this Monday Minds, there was something that was helpful for you to build your better relationship. And today's relationship recipe that is we are going to discuss, which is going to elevate your relationship to the next level, be it any relationship, and that is nothing but understanding and uplifting the other person. Understanding comes in different packages with different relationship, like understanding and expectations, understanding and acceptance, understanding and communication, and each of these are interconnected to each other. Let's understand how does this work. Most of the time we want the other person to think or do the way we want it to be, or we do, right? So in the beginning of any relationship, everything looks adorable, right? But when the relationship grows, it grows with the different phases. Then what happens, our expectations also grows about the other person, and that's when the conflicts begin. You think you are understanding everything about the other person, that why he or she is doing it, what is he or she is doing, and when the table turns, it's the same story with the other person as well. He or she also thinks that he or she knows everything about why and what you are doing, right? That's when this acceptance and communication plays a major role. Instead of assuming things, it's always better to be transparent and communicate with the other person about the summary of your understanding, and ask the person if he or she meant the same. Thereby you will be reaching a mutual agreement, you'll be reaching a mutual harmony and understanding. With better understanding, it's easy to uplift the other person's personality. For instance, let's say I ask my husband that I want to go eat ice cream outside, and he says no. Instead of jumping into the conclusion that, oh, he does not like me, he does not want to spend some time with me, that's why he is saying all these things, that he does not want to eat ice cream with me, you better ask him. You first explain, you communicate it better. You first explain why do you want to go out. You tell him that I want to eat, I am feeling like eating ice cream and spend some quality time with you. And his situation might be different, he might be mentally preparing for tomorrow's presentation in office, right? So he might be explaining this is what is happening, and thereby you come to a mutual conclusion and an agreement, right? So understanding helps you to grow together and uplift each other. There might be chances that you might be encouraging him to prepare for the presentation, and he might be presenting it in a much better way tomorrow in the office, right? So you are going to uplift. Once you understand the situation, it's also important for you to uplift the other person, and thereby you will be enjoying the serenity of that relationship, of every relationship. You being a humankind, it's important for you to understand, uplift each other, so that you grow beautifully together as a family, as a community as well. There is no perfect relationship, and every time it's important for you to work on it and grow and develop and be much better in a relationship. I hope this episode also there was something that was helpful for you. So I'll see you all next week. Until then, take care. Bye.